Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 17th of September, 2024. Benchmark equity indices remained in a range on Tuesday amid profit-taking and sluggish trends from the global markets. The 30-share BSE Sensex surged 90.88 points or 0.11% to close at 83,079.66. The NSE Nifty added 34.80 points or 0.14% to finish the session above 25400 for the first time at 25,418.55. The top gainers in the Nifty index included Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, Bharti Airtel, NTPC, and Mahindra. Conversely, the top losers comprised Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, Coal India, and Tata Steel. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of DCX Systems surged 5%, hitting the upper circuit of 345 rupees on September 17, after its subsidiary secured an industrial license from the Cochin Special Economic Zone to manufacture and test microwave submodules, along with avionics and defense electronic equipment. The newly acquired license permits DCX Systems' wholly owned subsidiary to manufacture items classified under Category A, according to the Ministry of Defense Security Manual. These products are considered highly classified and sensitive, representing the highest level of security in defense manufacturing. The granted license is valid for 15 years. Last month, DCX secured a 187 rupees crore order from an overseas customer for the supply of electronic kits. The order is said to be executed within 12 months. In early August, the company secured an order worth 107 rupees crore from domestic and overseas customers for the supply of electronic kits, cables, and wire harness assemblies. The order is expected to be executed within 12 months. PANACEA BOITEC share price was locked in upper circuit in Tuesday's trading session after the company announced that it has entered into a settlement agreement with Sanofi Healthcare India over patent dispute. The stock touched its 52-week high of 349.79 rupees per share on the NSE, up 5% to hit the highest permissible trading limit on Tuesday. In fact, the stock has been gaining for the last 8 days on the NSE and has risen 46.51% in the period. PANACEA BOITEC and Sanofi Healthcare India have entered into the settlement agreement on dispute over a patent infringement for hexavalent vaccine. The company, in an exchange filing, said the parties have reached a settlement agreement, and pursuant to the joint application filed by the parties, the said suit has been disposed of by the Honorable Delhi High Court on September 13, 2024, in terms of the settlement agreement entered between the parties. Ola Electric Mobility share price jumped as much as 10% on September 17 to hit the upper circuit at 118.36 rupees in the afternoon trade, adding to the morning gains, riding on bullish calls from major global brokerages. Bank of America and Goldman Sachs initiated coverage on Ola Electric stock with buy calls on the positive growth outlook. Goldman Sachs assigned a price target of 160 rupees on Ola shares, implying an upside of 35% from the current price. Bank of America has a target price of 145 rupees per share, 22% upside. Goldman Sachs said Ola Electric is well positioned for significant growth in the electric two-wheeler market, benefiting from long-term structural trends in India. The brokerage expects the company to reach EBITDA break-even by financial year 2027, with a projected revenue growth of over 40% CAGR from financial year 2024 to financial year 2030, leading to free cash flow break-even by financial year 2030. By financial year 2030, Ola Electric is expected to achieve an EBITDA margin of 12% and a return on invested capital of 27%. Mahanagar Gas Limited shares gained around 6% to hit a 52-week high as UBS maintained a buy rating on the stock, but raised the target price to 2,400 rupees from 1,600 rupees per share earlier. The brokerage highlighted that both organic and inorganic volume growth could continue to exceed expectations. UBS raised its total volume estimates for financial year 2025 to 27 by the 7th of November %, driven by infrastructure development and the expansion of the CNG fleet. Additionally, it has raised its financial year 2025-27 EBITDA per SCM forecast by the 6th of November to Rs 12.1-12.3 SCM, factoring in MGL's pricing strategies. Potential M&A opportunities have not yet been accounted for in this assessment. In the past 12 months, IGL has gained 19%, MGL has zoomed 83%. In comparison, Nifty rose 28% during this period. Asain Surfactants Limited in daily time frame is trading around 900.35 points with a change of 17.29% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.308 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 719.37, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 86.53. Silgo Retail Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.75 points with a change of 16.47% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.251 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 38.63, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.53. Asain Limited in daily time frame is trading around 211.57 points with a change of 15.74% and is trading with a net volume of around 5.88 for million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 177.91, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.56. For the stock recommendation we have, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited looks good and can be bought at 329 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 319 rupees and a target of 345 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.